Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a passionate outdoor coffee enthusiast? Have you ever wished you could make great coffee while camping or backpacking? Well, you can. With the right tools, camping trips can be just as much about enjoying a fantastic cup of coffee as exploring nature's beauty. With so many coffee makers on the market, it can be challenging to determine which one is best for taking on the road. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the best coffee makers for camping. From classic French presses to portable espresso makers, these coffee makers will surely make your camping trips more enjoyable. So let's get into it and explore the best coffee makers for camping. Let's begin with the best for the price. Beka Coffee Maker. Indulge in a sophisticated coffee experience with the Beka Coffee Maker's elegant glass design. This visually pleasing French press lets you witness the brewing process, adding charm to your mornings. Coffee lovers will appreciate the glass construction for preserving the coffee's natural oils and flavors, ensuring a rich, pure taste without any unwanted grit. This French press is made from high-quality borosilicate glass and can handle thermal shocks and high temperatures, promising you a long-lasting brewing companion. With a 4-level filtration system including a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal cross plate, and final mesh screen, you can rest assured that your coffee will be sediment-free and utterly enjoyable. Nevertheless, the screws are tightly secured, which can initially make cleaning disassembly a bit hard, but you'll get used to it after some use, so you don't need to worry about that. The next one is the best durable Coffee Gator Coffee Maker. Designed to delight your taste buds, this vacuum-layered and double-filtered French press delivers a more full-bodied flavor than your overflowing email inbox. To add to the charm, Coffee Gator includes a mini canister, ensuring you can enjoy your next caffeine hit on the go. Its tough stainless steel construction ensures it won't break if it accidentally slips from your grasp. This product also has an ingenious design that keeps sediment at bay, giving you a smooth and clean cup of joe every time. The rich coffee oils are perfectly infused into your brew, making it a rich and aromatic delight for your senses. Moreover, this coffee press is a practical and thoughtful gift, especially for those who love camping or spending time outdoors. Unfortunately, it may have a slight smell during the first use. However, this minor issue can be easily remedied with a quick rinse. The next one is the best design, Belware's Coffee Maker. This robust French press is a coffee lover's dream come true. Its 304 grade stainless steel construction not only exudes elegance but also guarantees long-lasting durability, making it a perfect addition to any coffee enthusiast's collection. Moreover, the efficient 4-level filtration system diligently captures even the tiniest coffee grounds, ensuring a consistently smooth and delectable cup of java. The vacuum-sealed double-wall construction retains the coffee's warmth, allowing you to savor every sip. Presenting an ideal gift for coffee lovers, this French presser will make a lasting impression on your loved ones, whether it's Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, or simply a gesture of appreciation. The Belware's Coffee Maker is a thoughtful and delightful present. Though the Belware's Coffee Maker boasts numerous merits, handling it carefully is essential. This product is not dishwasher safe, as hand cleaning is recommended. Still haven't found a coffee maker for camping that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best eco-friendly Wakeiko Mini Presso Coffee Maker. The Wakeiko Mini Presso embodies the essence of portable coffee making, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing espresso on the move, at home, or in the office. Its manual operation eliminates the need for batteries or electricity, making it an eco-friendly and travel-friendly companion for coffee enthusiasts. Whether you prefer a bold dark roast or a smooth medium blend, this espresso maker caters to your preferences, providing the flexibility to experiment with new and exciting flavors. With a straightforward operation, crafting the perfect espresso shot is a breeze. The integrated scoop adds ground coffee to the filter basket while applying slight pressure levels to the grind. Additionally, the water tank can be easily filled with hot water, and a few piston pumps extract a flawless espresso topped with a generous crema. The only downside is that it may get scratched during rugged travel, so you need to use it carefully. And the next one is the best portable Wakeiko Nanopresso Espresso Maker. The Wakeiko Nanopresso Espresso Maker epitomizes versatility and performance in espresso machines. Embracing manual operation, it offers coffee enthusiasts an immersive experience. This Nanopresso can reach a remarkable 18 bars of pressure, ensuring unparalleled coffee extractions that delight the taste buds with every sip. Its capability to work flawlessly with finely ground coffee that is tamped hard guarantees a delightful and dense crema layer, elevating your espresso indulgence to new heights. Additionally, the delightful ease of operation requires 15% less force to pump than its previous models. Coupled with its easy-to-clean components, this espresso maker ensures a hassle-free and convenient coffee-making experience. The minor drawback is that it can be broken if you do not use it carefully, so handling it with care is essential to avoid any potential damage that might occur during rough handling or unfortunate accidents. And the next one is the best easy-to-clean Primula Classic Coffee Maker. This coffee maker delivers 6 demitasse servings of rich, velvety espresso coffee in just minutes. It has a strong cast aluminum construction that ensures long-term durability. Thanks to its intelligent design, you'll relish thorough and even heat distribution, elevating your coffee's flavor, aroma, and consistency to new heights. With a heat-resistant knob and handle, the flip-top lid guarantees safe and easy pouring. Besides, cleaning this coffee maker is as easy as rinsing it with warm water and allowing all components to dry before reassembling for your next coffee adventure. Its portability and compatibility with electric, ceramic, and gas stovetops, including propane, make it the perfect camping accessory. With 5 different sizes available, you can select the perfect one for your needs. The only issue is that the handle might be a bit slippery sometimes, but it's not a big deal. And our winner today is Mueller Austria Coffee Maker. It's the best overall on all coffee makers for camping that we researched. This masterpiece is crafted with a triple-layered filter structure, ensuring your brew is sediment-free while retaining the delectable coffee oils that bring out the full-bodied flavor. Plus, it comes with a bonus matching travel canister, making it an ideal companion for coffee lovers on the go. Built like a tank, the Mueller Austria Coffee Maker boasts professional-grade 304 1810 double-layered stainless steel construction. It keeps your coffee hotter for longer and proves its resilience against accidental drops and rust. It is a versatile appliance for tea, MCT oil coffee, hot chocolate, cold brew, frothed milk, and various other concoctions. With its ability to seal in flavors and aromas, it's a treasure trove for coffee lovers and health-conscious individuals. Although unscrewing the filter may be a bit hard initially, once you get the hang of it, this coffee maker will become your trusted brewing companion for years. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.